In this video, you'll learn how Cloudflare pricing works and how to navigate through the Cloudflare dashboard to choose the right plan for your needs. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of the different pricing tiers available on Cloudflare. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, look for the Domains section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Next, click on Domains to access the overview of your registered domains. This section will display a list of domains associated with your account. Make sure you can see your domains listed here before moving forward. After that, click on the Bovie option for the specific domain you wish to manage. This will take you to a screen that provides detailed information about your domain's settings and current plan. Review this information to ensure you are on the correct domain. Once this appears, select the domain you want to explore pricing for by clicking on its name. This action will open up more options related to that specific domain. Verify that the correct domain is displayed at the top of the screen. Now look for the option labeled free and click on it. This section will outline the features included in the free tier. Take note of these features to understand what is available without any additional cost. Following this, click on the Pro option. This will show you the benefits of the Pro plan, which includes more advanced features than the free version. Review the differences carefully to see if they align with your needs. Next, click on the $20 button to see the pricing details and features associated with this plan. This step is crucial as it provides insight into what you are paying for and the additional benefits you will receive. Then click on Business to view the features and pricing of the business plan, which is a higher tier offering more comprehensive services. Take your time to compare this with the previous options. After that, select the $200 option. This will present the highest tier available for your domain. Evaluate the features and pricing to determine if this plan is suitable for your business requirements. Once you have reviewed the pricing tiers, click on Continue to proceed with the selected plan. This action may prompt a confirmation screen, allowing you to finalize your choice. Ensure you read any terms or conditions that may appear before confirming. If you would like to try Cloudflare Pricing Works yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This will allow you to explore the options available and make an informed decision. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.